Okay, so ATM machine. So the fifth unit, start ATM machine. So automated teller machine. So it's an electronic device. It is used mainly for banking section. So customer want to interact with the bank. That means using through machine. Machine can we can user can access the account and withdraw the money and can get information about their money. Also, they want to send the money to other account. It's also possible in ATM machine. So ATM machine, they will give ATM card to the customer. The user use the ATM card that have magnetic tab. Under the magnetic tab, they have some unique information. So that unique information, once they will be access ATM machine, that information is sent to the central server. So that server give the information about the user through ATM machine. So ATM machine invented by John Shepard Baron in 1960. So automated teller machine. So this is the machine. I have two type of automated teller machine. So basically, customer can only draw cash or receive the report account balance detail. This is one type of machine. And another type of machine, they have they can receive the cash. Also, they can deposit the cash. It will be give the credit payment also. That is a CDMA machine. They said like that. So there are two type of machine already available. The automated machine, if you want to access, you need the user having that security pin. So this is avoiding human hacking. So security purpose they given ATM pin. So history of automated teller machine. So first ATM concept in different country, Japan, UK, Sweden, US. So these people are invented different countries. They used the Japan invented machine for first computer loan or providing computer loan. So computer load machine that will be supply the cash. So that is used in 1966. After some development, that gas dispensing machine developed by Britain in London 1967. So the machine was first used by Barclay Bank, located in Enfield Town, North London. So the machine was developed by T. La Rue and John Shepard Barrow. So these two people are developing the machine, and that is the machine currently we are using ATM. In India, the ATM it launched in 1990. So actually, the foreign bank, they introduced the ATM in India. So uh, ATM machine was implemented to reduce, branch networking. So if you want, the bank having so many branches. So if they're having many branches, they need manpower and money so many things they needed to managing the branch. But this ATM, it really useful to reduce the branch. Just to put the machine to wherever they want to transaction needed by user. Just they keep the machine in that place. Okay, so they can easily access, and the boundary of the bank is increased due to this ATM machine. And black diagram of automated teller machine. So this is a basic, diagram that you see that it's a black diagram ATM machine. So highly security model, memory is there, keyboard, card reader, RTC real-time flag, then LCD driver, hard driver, speaker driver, relay driver, then internet, then power supply. So these are the basic components in ATM-based control unit. So how they will be give the input? There's a card reader is there. We have to put the card to that card reader. Card reader, it will be interfaced with the card and system. So once if you enter the card, they will ask the pin. If you enter the pin, then you can usually access and withdraw your money. The keyboard section, you can use the keyboard to give the input to the ATM machine. So, the keyboard contains 48 keys that they with the process. So output devices means they have speaker, display screen, printer, and cash depositor. So these are the things are output devices. So display screen, people can use as a touch screen. Some people they use buttons, some people they use directly touch the screen. So gas dispenser, that will be help to get your gas to the dispenser. So it count the gas. Finally, uh, if some cases money is folded, it will be removed by another section. You can reject it. Also the action carried by high precision sensors. The aged sensors. A complete record of cash transaction is kept by ATM with the help of RTC device. What is RTC? Real-time clock. And receipt to printer. So receipt to printer is withdraw date and time amount withdraw. Also it shows the balance of your receipt. ATM networking, internet service provider. So that is used for connecting to internet. So through the internet it can access the main server. User detail access to the main server through the internet and also give the information to the ATM. That is also through the internet. So this is networking, ATM networking. So bank computer is there, host computer is there, then ATM. So ATM, they connected with the telephone network. So the keys send it to the host computer. So from that bank computer is there. So this is automated network ATM networking system. The types of ATM machines we already discussed, list line ATM machine, dial-up ATM machine. So actually, white label ATM machine, brown label ATM machine, on-site ATM machine, off-site ATM machine. What is that least line ATM machine? This line ATM machine is connected directly to the processor, four-wire point-to-point detector telephone. So this is least line ATM machine. This is operating cost of this machine is very high. And dial-up ATM machine host process through normal phone like using modem. So this is dial-up ATM machine. So this is operating cost of machine is low compared to list line machine. And white label ATM machine is operated on through non-bank entities. ATM were launched in Reserve Bank India for assisting this financial section to ATM access within the country. This type of ATM uh, white logo ATM was launched by Tata, the Indian brand name like indication. And brown label ATM machine. Brown label ATM machine is a service provider support bank who brand can be employed to ATM to take care of network connections. And the on-site of ATM. Uh, so this is arranged the location wherever the bank is located. So the bank as well as ATM can be physically to serve the purpose to being on the site. So it's on-site of ATM. Because we have to reduce the bank transaction. That's why they used near the bank. Outside ATM means it's not if there is no bank nearly the ATM. So the ATM present and the bank might be present in somewhere else. So gas dispenser. So it's a balance inquiry, mini statement, cap, etc. That is gas dispenser, mobile ATM. So this is used for COVID-19. So let's touch with the several mobile ATM also available. So it's mobile ATM that is called as mobile ATM. And green label, this is actually for agriculture transactions. Orange label is mainly used for SAT transaction. Yellow label used for online purchase, like for e-commerce facility. Pink label, the ATM used to especially for women. This ATM is observed by protector to make sure only women are accessing or not the women's waiting in long queue can be reduced. How the machine operating, that is, you have to put the card and you have to give the pin, then have to the process will be run, then we will get the money to collect on the receipt. ATM software there might be used XFS platform and Tritone, Prism, NCR, AP, Aptra Edge. So these are the platforms they used. Then advantage of ATM. Advantages, so many advantages of ATM is that, you know, uh, so 24/7. So that's the main advantage. And ATM, workload, bank, everything, traveler, bank customers, new customer notes bank are used to reduce the bank staff. So give security. And drawbacks, so possible robbery is possible because people known is that suddenly someone want to take, even the camera is there, they don't want to consider the camera, they can easily take. So that's a very big drawback. So risk that is high while going ATM. And the charge of transaction also it is possible. So user might be getting the uh, problem with that. Possible to case robbery of ATM, embedded fraud. Okay, so this is ATM drawbacks. Thank you.